We're going to Vegas and we're only bringing a carry-on and we're only using thrifted clothes. If this interests you, keep watching. We're gonna do a try-on of our Vegas thrift finds. Hello everyone, welcome back to ReMended and Revival. My name is Coral and today we're going to have some fun trying on some clothes that I had to find at the thrift store that were Vegas worthy. A good friend of mine said, Coral, don't take this the wrong way, but like you and I don't really have clothes meant for Vegas. Very true, very true. But we're gonna make it work. What I'm wearing now is what I'm going to wear on the plane to go to Vegas. It is a thrifted Michael Kors trench coat. Love it. But this is just a dress and a belt that I've thrifted. I'll put on some more jewelry, but this is the idea of what I'm going to be wearing on the plane in Vegas. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear these amazing socks or these awesome shoes. Not sure, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just wearing them for you. The challenge I accepted was go to Vegas wearing only thrifted outfits. And I think I'm gonna succeed. So I'm gonna be there 2 nights. So I have this outfit and then 2 more to show you. It has to fit in this bag. This doesn't have much rim to hold anything, but the clothes I'm going to stick in here, and then I have to bring my laptop and my iPad and my purse. I'll probably carry on my purse, but this is all I'm gonna bring. So it's a bit of a challenge, but we got this. Let's go to outfit 2. Perfect for Vegas, I thought, a black sequin cropped top with this pleated skirt, this long maxi pleated skirt that I picked up. You might have seen this black skirt in a previous try-on. This sequin shirt I just found at the thrift store last week on my challenge day. I'm very happy with it. The boots are not thrifted, but everything else is, including all of my jewelry. You might recall some of this jewelry I picked up at the thrift store, especially this awesome piece right here, which is a St. John piece, which I think is hundreds of dollars, and my Kate Spade pendant, which I love. So, sorry if that was loud on the microphone. This is, oh, and my sunglasses. I forgot I was wearing sunglasses. Boy, yeah, my sunglasses were thrifted too. So, this is look 2 for Vegas. Love it. And this is my final look for Vegas. No, I'm not going to wear these knee socks, but I've had them on the entire time, so I figured it's really funny. I'll just keep up with it. I have a pair of black tights that I'm going to wear, but this is a new dress that I just thrifted. It is too big for me, but I think that's okay. I might pull in with some safety pins just a little bit underneath the armpit. It's supposed to be a loose, flowy dress anyway. With all these pleats, isn't it so cute? All of the jewelry is thrifted, sunglasses thrifted, dress Vegas worthy. What do you think? I'm also going to bring a pair of jeans that I have in California and one more simple black top. But besides that, that's all I'm bringing to Vegas, and it's all thrifted. So can you actually thrift outfits for Vegas? Of course you can. It was a good challenge. I'm glad I took it. Now the next challenge will be, can I fit all of it in here? And keep watching because we'll see if it fits. Cross your fingers. All of these really fold up really small, so I think we'll be okay, but I don't know. I'm happy to report that everything fits. I haven't stuck my iPad or my laptop in yet, but they will go right here. This has all my chargers. This has all my jewelry. This is a pair of sandals I actually fit in there. Everything else is rolled up real tight, and we're good to go. See you in Vegas. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you in my next video coming up soon. Maybe I'll even show some highlights of my Vegas trip. Bye guys.